Welcome. In the following series of videos, we will be exploring the search strategies offered through Education Collection. We are currently on the ProQuest homepage, which is where the Education Collection database is offered through. Now let's navigate together to the Education Collection database. You'll see that you have some options up here. We want to select databases. There are currently 66 available through ProQuest. In order to quickly and efficiently find Education Collection, I am going to perform a Control F, and we are going to start typing Education Collection. You'll see that it comes up right away. We have a small summary here. It's an index and full text database covering education in the social sciences. So let's click on that. So here on the homepage of Education Collection, which you will also see in the screencast in the newsletter, you'll see a small summary of the database along with the subject coverage. At the top here, you'll see the different search strategies that are offered. Please join me in the next videos where we will detail each search tool.